Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use VO3 to generate a realistic video. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, I'm going to use VO3 on Gemini. So you can open up gemini.google.com and then here you can choose generate video. I have already selected a generate video, and then here we can describe the video that we want to create. You can also add a photo as a reference, but here I'm just going to turn my text into a video. And for the prompt, I have already asked ChatGPT to create a prompt for me so it can be more detailed. Okay, and then I'm going to paste the prompt here and we can click on submit. Okay, and then the VO will generate a video for us. And unfortunately, to access a VO on Gemini, we need to subscribe to Google One, guys. So we will get VO3. But don't worry because there is a free trial for 1 month. So I recommend you to get the free trial and you can generate any video that you want using VO3. Okay, and now my video is being generated. Okay guys, and now my video is ready and let's play it. Wow, it's so realistic. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.